Here we have the EsyCover Mini in green. So this is for the DAB EsyBox Mini cubed. What do we have in here? Basically, looks like some very simple instructions. Just take the cover, clip it on the box. Don't use it lying on its side, only use it on its upright. Oh, okay. Now see, it's actually the same instruction thing for the EsyBox and for the EsyBox Mini. So here's the one for the Mini. Here's the one for the EsyBox. And then some packaging. And the actual cover. Why you would want to use this is basically almost none of the pumps are rated for outdoor use just straight out of the box. So this is just a cover to prevent water from running into where the electrics is on the actual pump. It's a very clever idea because normally you'd have to put some form of a structure over a pump, or at least some form of a roof. So this allows you to just clip this onto the pump itself.